Almost went for 6. Now hitting hard through the leg side again.
Trouble.
Umar's down. Webby Quiney.
Oh no.
It's been a feature of cricket around Australia, the Seagulls. In the outfield, Bobby Quiney now escorting him off the field. Gee, that ball was hit really hard, wasn't it? With no chance.
It's actually amazing how few times they're hit.
It's
the Seagull. He's up on his feet. This is that's him. That's him.
That's an unbelievable effort.
That's a bigger recovery since Rick McCosker in the centenary test here at the MCG.
He did a couple of leaning jailers, Gilly. You see him up on his...
Don't be surprised if he jumps.
He tried to do to him earlier.
Come on, son, get yourself onto the ground.
Getting their big deep breaths in, isn't he? Like we're used to seeing them bowl here at the MCG.
Kent McKay. That's been pulled out to the leg side. Oh, the bird, he's back. He wants in on the action again. She's got